Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we head down to the state of Florida, and we're going to go to North Palm Beach. I was given a drone lesson to my good friend Steve Barnett behind my condo by the Safe Harbor Marina. He was flying his daughter's DJI Air2S drone, and he did great. He flew over the $1 million yachts, got some great shots of the Intercoastal and even the Atlantic Ocean. But when he came down, I went up. I flew my DJI Air2S. I love flying here at the Safe Harbor Marina in North Palm Beach. Yep, that's my boat down there, Adventures. It's not a $1 million yacht, but I love it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. Hit the little bell to be notified of our newly released videos. I wanted to try something a little different. I wanted to see how close I could get to these palm trees here. And I didn't want to go on the next condo's property. It's always good to fly with another drone pilot, and I love flying here at the Safe Harbor Marina. I'll close the video with a beautiful sunset over the Intercoastal Waterway in North Palm Beach, Florida. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my weekly live stream on Mondays at 6 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.